Hello, and thank you for using Whova for your next event. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use the Virtual Event Center to control attendee access to sessions, streams, and videos. We'll show how to control when your streaming and video links are visible to your attendees to prevent them from sharing the stream or video links ahead of time. How to limit certain sessions to specific attendees. For instance, if you have tiered tickets, you might want to restrict some exclusive sessions to be only available for select attendees. In the agenda, the attendees will only be able to see the sessions they purchased. And similarly, you can selectively control which attendees can have access to your videos. For example, if you plan on uploading recordings of your live sessions that only select attendees can access, you can make that happen. So let's start with controlling when your streams and videos will be visible to your attendees. Start by going to the Attendee Access Control section under the Virtual Event Center. Under Set the Live Stream and Video Link Availability, select the second option, Available a specific duration before the session starts. You can then set the time before the session for when the attendees can access the stream and videos. As an example, if the time is set to 5 minutes, attendees will be able to start accessing the stream or video 5 minutes before the session start time. Now on to limiting certain sessions to only specific attendees. Head back into Attendee Access Control, and under Session Visibility, select the Yes option. This will allow attendees to only view the streams and videos based on the sessions they are attending. You can set which sessions they are attending through Ticket Session Mapping. Click Ticket Session Mapping to head over to the Ticket Session Mapping page, where you'll see all the tickets you've created to start setting up. Note, if you use Whova's ticketing, the different ticket types will be automatically assigned to your attendees during the registration process. However, if you used another ticketing system, be sure to include the ticket types when you upload your attendee list or update the tickets manually under the Attendees tab. Now click Add Sessions to start assigning sessions to your attendees. You can select specific sessions manually or even all the sessions in a particular day. And lastly, we have controlling video access to select attendees. This time under Attendee Access Control, click Video Access. From there, you can choose to either import a list of attendees or manually add them in with their email address. All the attendees you upload or add here will be able to access the video recordings you uploaded. Note, when importing, download and use the template provided. That concludes our tutorial on controlling access to sessions and videos. And if you want to know more about the Virtual Event Center or other Whova functions, feel free to check out our other guides, such as the video upload and setting up online sessions guides, and others.